There are tons of souvenirs here. So pretty. Yokohama chili oil. I love their packaging. Just so pretty. A little sample. This one, it has a little kitty cat. If you guys need to buy souvenir, there are tons of options. From Tokyo to Kyoto, we take JR Central Japan, and there are 3 kinds of train with different speed: Nozomi, Hikari, and Kodama. We want to get there as fast as possible, so we took Nozomi, which only takes us around 2 hours to get to Kyoto from Shin Yokohama. Here comes our train! The gap between platform and the train is kind of big, so not very friendly for stroller. There are space for stroller and big luggages, but there's also a lot of leg room between seat to seat. If you just have a small suitcase or a backpack, you can easily put between legs or on top of their head. We both got a bento box at the station. I never tried Shinkansen bento box, so I'm super excited about it. It's so good, baby. The one I got have 2 kinds of beef with 2 different cooking methods. One is grilled beef, the other one is more saucy. There's an egg and some pickles on the side. Fun fact, bento box you can get in Japan are mostly cold. They don't have microwave for you to heat up because they think the smell of food can bother people, and that's not polite in Japanese point of view. The beef I had is so good, very juicy and flavorful. The rice surprisingly still have really good texture even though it's cold. This piece is so beautiful, so good. I got Preston a fried chicken bento box.
Looks so good.
Honestly, I think this one looks a lot better than mine. But with fried food, I doubt it will be good when it's cold.
It's very good. The rice is delicious. I don't know what they have on that rice, but it's good.
Surprising, the chicken tastes very good. Even though it's cold, it's still flavorful and juicy. I really need to know Japanese bento magic now. The train ride is about 2 hours. It was kind of cloudy and rainy on the way to Kyoto.
Bound for Hiroshima, we will be stopping at Kyoto, Shin Osaka. We ask that you switch your microphones.
And we made it to Kyoto! And we're going to take that line to our hotel. But some insight about first Shinkansen experience.
It's really nice, but it was the exact same as the high-speed rail in Taiwan. But really nice, pretty fast.